In this video, I will show you how to change slide size in PowerPoint. So the first step is to simply select your slide and then simply go to design. Now here, you're gonna have to simply click on slide size. And as you can see by default, you have these two sizes. So you have standard, which is 4 by 3, and then you have widescreen, which is 16 by 9. Now, if you want to add a custom size, simply click on page setup, and as you can see here, you can change the size. You can also click on slide size 4, and here you have different presets, or you can simply click on custom, and here you can add your values. Now here you can also change the orientation and then simply click on OK, and here you're gonna have to choose to scale up or scale down, and basically that's all you have to do in order to change slide size in PowerPoint. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.